I'm Elton Brown, Chairman of the Warren County Board of Health, and just delighted to see all of you here. An absolute historic occasion for us. We're really proud to have Dr. Brake here. She's going to come and introduce our guest. So.
Okay, well, hello to everyone. I wanted to just take a few minutes to introduce our guests. I know everybody doesn't know everyone here, but I do want to acknowledge our Board of Health members. Dr. Brown is our chair and the nominator for these awards that we're going to hear about today. And we also have Ms. Cheryl Kaufman here and Ms. Eva Brown, who's one of our recipients. So if you guys could just raise your hands real quick. Okay, we also have our county manager here, Mr. Vincent Jones, and our assistant county manager, Charlotte Duncan. And Commissioner Baker, who's also...
I couldn't get you, I'm sorry.
Commissioner Baker is on, of course, our county board of commissioners, but she is also serves on our Warren County Board of Health. So we appreciate all of our board members for their dedication and service to public health here in Warren County. And then I also like to introduce Dr. Damara Russell from Hope Regional Medical Clinic. She is one of our partners in this COVID work and work on other issues as well. And so we're very happy to have her and her nursing manager, Rachel, here with us today. And I'd like to thank my staff for their work as well. So at this time, I will turn the presentation of awards over to Dr. Benjamin Tillett, who is going to talk to us about the Association of North Carolina Boards of Health and present the awards. Dr. Tillett.
My name is Ben Tillett, and I'm a member of the Association of North Carolina Boards of Health, and we give two awards each year. We give the Carl Durham Award, and we give the Robert Ed Struther Award. Carl Durham was a man who was committed to public health. He contributed much to public health in North Carolina during his life. He was one of the founding members of the Association of North Carolina Boards of Health, and also, which is the sponsor of this award, and he was also the first president of the ANCBH. This stained glass piece here beside me was given to Mr. Durham as an award for his service to ANCBH and public health in the state. His daughter found this in the home this past spring, in her mother's home after she had died. She was cleaning through, and she gave that back to us. We're very proud to have something that he was awarded. The ANCBH Carl Durham Award is presented annually to an individual who has made contributions to public health, as well as being an effective advocate for public health on a local, regional, and or state level. The winner this year meets these criteria completely. In her nomination letter, she was described as a doer and a worker bee that is willing to come to the table, roll up her sleeves, and get to work. She serves on the Warren County Board of Health, as well as serving as secretary on the board of directors of the Association of North Carolina Boards of Health, which she handles the role with professionalism and accuracy. We can always count on her to be present and contribute with valuable insight and perspective. I cannot exaggerate her contributions. She's very active in her community, offering her worker bee spirit to numerous public health programs. In addition, she brings her love of public health to her church, the Jerusalem Missionary Baptist Church, and their community. She was among the first to become a trainer to implement the Diabetes Education Empowerment Program, as well as serving in numerous public health outreach programs in Warren County. The chair of the Warren County Board of Health rates her as an outstanding board member, as evidenced by her contributions to her local board, further stating that she strives for continuous improvement in all that we do and looks for ways to reach out to the community to keep them informed and ready to take action. Her participation in meetings with faith communities as well as other community leaders to educate the congregate about COVID-19 mitigation strategies and to expand COVID-19 testing across the county in partnership with churches, schools, and other community-based organizations. Doer and worker bee indeed. It is my extreme pleasure to present the 2000 Carl Drummer Award to Ms. Eva Brown.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. The other award we give is Robert Ed Struther Award, and this award is given annually to those nominees who have established and or fostered a public-private partnership which has improved public health for the community. This year's winners are the Warren County Health Department and the Hope Regional Medical Clinic. These organizations have partnered in response to the coronavirus pandemic since June 2020 to provide COVID-19 testing to the most vulnerable and marginalized populations in Warren County. The Hope Clinic provides high-quality, comprehensive, preventative and primary health services to the residents of Warren, Vance, and surrounding counties. The provision of preventative care is one tool the clinic uses to reduce costly trips to hospitals and emergency rooms. The Warren County Health Department provides case investigations, surveillance, testing, monitoring of positive cases, contact tracing, and prevention messages to increase awareness of COVID-19 in the community. Dr. Margaret Brake and Dr. Demura Russell, both Warren County natives, understand the significance of having access to health care in small rural communities and form this valuable partnership. The overall goals of this collaboration are to expand community testing as well as provide education on the prevention and mitigation strategies to slow the spread of COVID-19 in Warren County. The pair have broadened this partnership to engage churches, schools, and community-based organizations to serve as host sites for testing events. Not only have they been able to offer drive-through test sites, physicians are on site to provide assessments, as well as nurses and health educators to provide education about what steps to take once a person is tested. According to Dr. Elton Brown III, Chairman of the Warren County Board of Health, the partnership between the Warren County Health Department and Hope Regional Medical Clinic is really making a difference and has allowed us to offer testing to anyone without any out-of-pocket expense, whether they have insurance or not. This is a unique partnership in our county, one that will not only help us get through this pandemic, but will also be the model for offering new and expanded services to our residents in the future. It is with great pleasure to present the Robert Ed Struther Award for 2020 to the Warren County Health Department and Hope Regional Medical Center. Hello there. We have another one.
Oh, okay.
Another
And
one.
this one is actually yours.
Oh,
Take
thank
it.
you.
We don't have to cut it.
That's right.
Thank you.
Okay, so at this time we will be open for remarks, and I'll just start by first thanking all of you all for coming and sharing in this special celebratory event for our health department, for our board, and for Hope Regional Medical Clinic. We recognize there is a lot of work to be done in Warren County, and I think we're all committed and we're all up to the task for making things happen. And I just want Dr. Russell to know how much I appreciate her and her staff for all the work that they do and for her willingness to be a partner. This is truly a public-private partnership, and we have been able to do a lot in the little time that we have been working together. So I do want to acknowledge her, acknowledge our board members, and say thank you for your continuing support for the work that the health department does. I acknowledge our staff, our COVID team that works around the clock to ensure we are responding to residents and help with setting up these testing events. So I appreciate you all. I appreciate our county administration, Mr. Jones and Charlotte, who have been just by our side supporting and helping us get this word out and get this information out to the community. I do want to give way for Mr. Jones if he has any remarks he would like to make, Commissioner Baker, and any of our other guests.
Sure. So congratulations again to the health department. First, I want to say thank you to Dr. Brown for taking the time to nominate the health department, and Ms. Brown as well. We always like to make sure that Warren County is represented, especially on a statewide level, for recognition such as these. And so the health board, I want to thank you all for your service as well. But and Dr. Russell, we appreciate you as one of Warren County's hometown strong here for coming back and contributing to the community. And so we think that is an awesome example to represent for our other youth here in the county. And Dr. Brake as well. The health department is one of those departments that doesn't report to me directly, but the health department is a shining example for the county as an organization. I am always proud of the work that they do and always happy to partner with them because of the immediate impact they have on helping our residents improve our health as a county. So congratulations and keep up the great work.
Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. And I would just like not to apologize, but at least explain why I was late. I was trying to wait for my doctor to call me, trying to get an appointment. I don't know if I have a Baker's cyst or something in the back of this left leg, and it's quite painful. And I was waiting for her to call. We called you yesterday, Mr. Russell.
Yes, I got it.
And she called me back and said I had a 3:30 appointment after you called me, Ms. Brain. And then she called back and said, could you come at 6? And I said, no, I can't come at 6. That's too late. So when she went back and said 3:30, I said, great, I'll be there. Then I jumped up and started running and calling you, telling you I would try to get over here. But I am so glad to be here because I did want everybody to know that I do support you all, and I did not want to miss this occasion. And I am so very proud of you all and proud of the partnership that you have, and most of all, just grateful that you can assist our citizens, because that's what is most important, that you are giving a great service for our citizens. And without you, you can see we would be in a big turmoil not having you to assist them. And I just want to congratulate all of you for the important work that you're doing and let you know that I sincerely appreciate it. And if there's anything I can do to assist you or the county, Mr. Jones is here to witness it. We will do whatever we can to assist you all. And thank you all so very much.